we're back to safari. Dito kami galing dati nung birthday ni Kisha last year. 8th birthday.
Hello.
Hi.
Alright, so we do have a speed limit, 4 kilometers per hour. The radio station is 90.1 FM. And then we do ask once you're on the road that there's no stopping or getting out of the vehicle, okay?
Alright.
90?
0.1.
90.1?
Oo.
Oh, yun pala yun!
Oh wait, I'm gonna sing that in my thing, in my school party.
Turtle doves.
Welcome to the safari. Remember when we saw the ostrich?
Wildcat.
So funny. Pick up. It looks like an ostrich, but it's not.
Dito yung pala ng flamingo. Tama ba?
Yeah, it was. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Santa!
Okay siya dito yung ano, yung goat, di ba? Yun ang goat?
Ay, yung ano.
Yung barn?
Ito yung barn.
Yeah, the barn.
Diyan natin nakita yung goat before. Si Harry Snowman, Kisha.
I read the snowman. Hi. Snowman. I saw a snowman.
Sama-sama na sila lahat.
Yun.
Nasaan yung giraffe?
I don't know.
Wala pa. Toyland.
Saluti.
Salute. Wow, ang ganda ng bubong. Bubong? Ang ganda ng ano. Ang tawag sa ganyan. Basta yun. Sa taas. Siya!
Horsey.
Kisha, oh, like magic! Oh, may monkey, Kisha!
Monkey.
Wow. Naku! Wolf! Alala mo, natakot ako sa wolf nung sa safari vlog.
Come. Or Cupid. Or John. Or Blitzen. Or Rudolph.
Sino yun?
Santa's reindeer.
Oh, Santa's reindeer pala yun. Si Rudolph lang kilala ko eh.
Si Rudolph lang din kilala ko. Kasi, wala yung na-introduce sa akin ng
Oh, what is
bata.
that? Kisha, what is that? What's that animal?
What animal is this, Kisha?
Hippo.
No, it's not.
Ano yan? Armadillo?
Armadillo.
Meron akong alam na
It's
animal.
money. Hey, what is that?
Giraffe.
Oh!
It's a puppy.
Giraffe. It's a giraffe.
What is the hippo?
Ito yung giraffe area.
Oh, how about that?
Raccoon! Is it?
Giraffe.
Yeah.
Let's
It's a
see them.
giraffe.
Ay, may snake!
Yeah, you stick on dito.
Ah! Oh, Santa and the reindeers! Ay! Ito, Kisha. Ano yan?
Isa.
Tiger.
Ay, si Isa, tsaka si Kisha. Ayun.
Monkey.
The two monkeys. Umakyat dyan. Ay! Umikap si Daddy.
Hey! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All is fun and it's to ride in a one-eyed open sleigh. Did you know?
What?
Baka ostrich yan, Dad. Long legs.
Look! That's you!
Yes, Dad. It's ostrich. Feeling ko. May mga reindeer.
Ostrich! Look, 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 look. Remember that fight?
Haribon. Kisha, yan na yung mga gifts. Naku, i-deliver na yan sa Chicory Trail.
Choo-choo.
Ayan, may moose siya, oh. Ayan, oh. Moose.
Totoong moose?
Oo, yan, totoo.
Moose.
Ayan,
Ay,
oh.
moose.
Kamalikot, baka sugutin ka ng moose.
Hindi totoo.
Totoo yan, oh.
Hindi ah.
Moose.
Hindi.
Moose. Moose.
Nakakainis to.
Moose.
Lapit na sana ako maniwala. Kisha, ang ganda.
Yeah, I know. Parang garwa.
We're entering Vortex.
Papasok ka na daw doon sa car wash.
Vortex tunnel. Wow, sana mawashi kakin.
Ang
I
ganda.
forgot to car wash.
Ano to? Magkikilitian?
Tikaw, tikaw. Tikaw,
What's that, Kisha?
That is and this is
Wala ba itong katapusan?
Ano ba sinusulit natin yung bayad?
Hindi pa ako.
Okay lang yan, Dad.
Hindi ng snow.
Uy, ang ganda ng snow.
How do they do that?
Kisha, may iglo.
Ito.
Ang ganda. Kisha, oh, may fountain, oh.
Yeah.
Ako nagpababay.
Daan lang
Bye.
talaga daan.
Have a nice Christmas.
What?
Ay, ating tunnel, mami.
Bye. Have a nice Christmas.
There you go. Ho, ho, ho.
Did you know?
Ang ganda kasi ng snow, no?
Yeah, I know. What's coming up next?
After this, magbabasketball si Dad.
And hang out with girls.
And kami mga girls will hang out. Go back to our house. Okay, so see you guys later.